issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, north central Logan County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Orlando, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Mulhall, Orlando, Lake Carl, Blackwell, and Lake Mcmurtry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, whoa, doubleheader. This thing is literally about to die.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Kingfisher, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Western Midland, Guthrie, Cashin, Cedar Valley, Cimarron City, Nadina, and Seward. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Triple header unlikely, but we'll see.
The National
Yeah,
Weather
no.
Service